You may recognise the car, different technician this time.
Wow.
Tim's been a little bit busy lately. So this is the one with the running fault. We're going to take it for a test drive now because the running fault's been fixed. We've also serviced it, cam belt change, annual service, and a few little bits and pieces. But we'll do a final road test, final check, and make sure everything's okay. If you remember from the previous videos, we had this car that had no power on road test. We diagnosed it fuel pump delivery. Fuel pumps were blocked and clogged. So we've replaced the fuel filters and the pumps, and we're now on road test just to check that it's performing how it should do. So on the open road, the car, we drop it down again, pick the revs up, feed in the throttle, and off we go, nice and smooth, down the red range. As expected, performed okay on road test. It's got good power and everything's doing as it should do. So another excellent job from Emblem Sports Cars.